Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to add the back to the top button in your website. It's easier for visitors to navigate through your website when you make it easy for them. So with this back to the top button, no matter how far they've gone, it's easier for them to just scroll back to the top. So you can see how lengthy this website is. So with that button, they can just tap on it and it takes them back to the top. So in this short video, I'm going to be showing us how to achieve that. So to do that, we'll go back to our back end. We'll quickly go to plugins. Then here you have the already installed plugin. So we'll just say add new plugin right here. So when this opens, you go to the search bar here and type back to top, and you wait for the search result. So you can download any of this, but I like to download this first one because it has 10,000 plus active downloads, though this one has 200,000 plus, but the last time it was updated was 4 months ago, but this has a recent update, so I'll just go with this. They all work perfectly anyways. So it has been installed, so I'll just click on activate. So we'll go to plugins. After installation and activation, you go to plugins. Let's see if it has been installed. So this is it here, smooth back to top button. So we'll go to settings. So let's see. Okay, it's enabled. Scroll progress is enabled. What this scroll progress does is it's going to show you a countdown, something like a countdown, to see how far you've gone from the website. So this is the icon type you can choose. This one here, this. So there are different types. Anyone at all you like, you can pick from. So this is the position. This one appears in the bottom right. So I would want to take it to the bottom left because I already have my WhatsApp icon on the bottom right. So this is the size, this is the scroll duration, how long it takes to scroll in milliseconds. So you can change the color of the button if you like, icon color, progress color, hover color. So you can change the colors if you want. Then after that, you can say save changes. Okay, settings has been saved. So let's refresh and see our website. So you can see our button right here. As we're scrolling, you can see the progress level. As you're scrolling, you can see the progress level. So once it has gotten round, you know it has gotten to the top. So you can now click on it and it takes you back to the top.